Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on Tesla, ticker TSLA. So to get straight into what are going to be key support and resistances as we continue to move in this stock. So if we do continue to the upside, we're going to have the closest target at $222. Now this is key. Again, we are having to pre-record this. This is being recorded the day before, so it's being recorded Thursday. Just before market opens, but you can see at 208 this is where our first deviation is over on the 6 month. So the way we use these levels is the first time you come into them you expect a pullback like we had here. Then if you come back to retest it, you expect the break, you want the retest, and if it can hold this level then there's a good indication you're going to continue higher and you're going to break to that next deviation. So if we can hold 208, that's what I'd be watching for. If we haven't done it on the Thursday, watching it today, the Friday. If we have held it on that Thursday, then be watching for the 222. That would be our key target. If we can come into that level again, we're looking for that same thing. The first time you hit it, expect that pullback. If we either can go back and retest it, expect the break, and then it's all waiting for that breakthrough, come back to test it as a support, and if it can hold, then there is really a lot of upside on Tesla. We'll be looking at around 264 as that next target. If we break that, then we're pushing up to 284, 321, 347, and final levels taking us out all the way to 375 and 410. So again, some of these targets obviously are very far to the upside. Do you need to pay attention to all of them? No. Literally all we're paying attention to right now is the 208 to the 222. I mean, this is what we'll be paying attention to where it's going into the end of this week and probably early next week. And if we do break out, then obviously your focus just goes to that next level. If we break the 222, then your focus just goes to 264. So I mean, that's how you use these levels. You don't need to pay attention to all of them. Just pay attention to really what you're in the zone of. Now, if we end up breaking to the downside, what are key supports? So we have statistical mean on the 1 year at 160 and on the 6 month at 152. Now, statistical mean, this is essentially fair value. So if I am a technical trader or if I'm taking a technical based trade, I never want to be holding a stock or opening a stock at this level. And the reason for that is if this is statistical mean, this is fair value. And if you are trading, you want an edge. So trading at fair value, unless you're maybe doing a straddle, there is no value or no edge to be buying in at fair value. From an investment standpoint, then that can be a great investment. But from a trading perspective, probably not all that great. So to me, if I was holding it short, this would be my absolute final target, but it wouldn't be anything I look to open a position going into. Really, if I want to start buying this stock up, I'll be waiting for really a breakdown to around $100. $100, obviously that key psychological level. Then at $98, we have our first deviation on the 1 year, and $96, we have our first deviation on the 6 month. So really, that key level, I mean, it's about $4 zone. That is going to be super strong if we came back down to this level, but I mean very far from where we are off now, so that's the only support we'll actually really note for now, because obviously we're at $210. There's not really much point going any lower than that, because that does require a 50% sell-off from where we are now. But that is the breakdown over on Tesla. If you enjoyed the video, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.